about the soft skills, that is like the life skills into people, like sympathy, empathy, winning appearance, how to make your first impression, so certain things like such. So yeah, that's my work. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
All good, how are you doing?
Yes, I have been doing well. Thank you for asking. I think we are meeting for the very first time, so I would like to know a
Absolutely.
little bit about you.
Yes, yes, you can know a little about me. First, you please tell me a little about you.
Yeah, surely. So, as you know, my name is Suman Das. I live in
Yes.
Kollani, West Bengal. If I talked
Okay.
about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation from Kollani University. Apart from done diploma in multimedia animation, Jadavpur University. And if
Right.
I talked about my work, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing job in an IT company. I have
Right.
overall 5 to 6 years of experience and
Wow.
I am a wanderlust boy. I love traveling. Simultaneously, I have a small YouTube channel. My YouTube
Wow.
channel name is English with Suman,
Oh,
where
wow,
I
wow, wow.
upload English related content. So this
Right.
is my little bit short introduction, madam.
Oh, wow, wow. Lovely. Lovely connecting with you, Suman. So, you wanted my introduction. So, my name is
Yeah.
Rishika, and I am married. And currently, I'm here in Karnataka, though my roots are from Punjab.
Okay.
So I'm settled here in Karnataka for a bit because of my husband. And if I have to speak on personal grounds, I am an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. I take personality classes for individuals as well as for private sector as well, like soft skill sessions
Okay.
and trainings. Yes. So that's about me. And obviously, I have a background in English literature. I have taught in schools for about 3 years. And in total, in a cumulative thing, I have an experience of 4 years in English teaching. So yes, and
Okay. That's great.
yes, this is another platform where I'm trying my hands at uh, to help other individuals and maybe learn from them.
So, ma'am, I would like to know from you what is the meaning of image consultant? Could you tell me?
Oh,
I'm too much excited to know from you.
yes, absolutely. Since you can learn, you can understand a bit from the word in itself. That's called image. Image is what you perceive of an individual, right? So either it can be looks or maybe whatever comes from inside. So it's inner and outer image both. So
Okay.
whatever you see out of me right now is my outer image. So I help with an outer image as well, like grooming. I will tell you what face shape you have. So what cut of a hair would you require? I can tell you in basic layman's term. I'm trying to explain it to you. So if you want to wear a glass or something, so I'll tell you what shape will suit you, what sort of
Okay.
colors will suit you. So basic grooming from the outside, as well as etiquettes, mannerism, and soft skills included. So I basically try to infuse a little about the soft skills, that is like the life skills into people, like sympathy, empathy, winning appearance, how to make your first impression. So certain things like such. So yeah, that's my work.
So, ma'am, I want to know from you if I become an image consultant, then where I need to join as a employee?
Okay, where can I work as an image consultant?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, understood. Now it makes sense to me. I was like earlier a little confused. All right. So, as an image consultant, first of all, you need to be a certified trainer, right? So, that certification is extended over to some 24 to 30 lessons. So, you have to take all those lessons and they're spread over numerous days. So, that's upon you. How do you complete your course and how much time do you take to complete your course? Once you're done with that, you have on ground practice. That session is called TTC, that is train the consultant. So once you're
Okay,
done with that 3 day offline course, so the entire course is online, right? Because of Corona, it all became online. So you have to take those online sessions. Per session is for about 4 hours. And So you take all those sessions for as many days, depends upon you when do you want to complete the session, and then you come onto the ground for 3 days of physical training, and then you have to
Okay.
take a test, and that test is a very comprehensive test. So it is a test of about 150 marks. So based off on that, you will get certain objective type questions, 120 objective type questions, and every question will be displayed on the screen for only 15 seconds, so you have to answer
Okay.
it quickly, right? Yes,
Okay.
so it's absolute learning. What you've done, you can't really brag or maybe just boast like I know everything, and it will all come out in the exam, right? So 120 questions that are objective, and five questions that are 8 marks each. They are subjective questions. So you have to. You're also given 10 minutes to type down those things, and you are like on a different platform where you're taking the exam, so you can't even switch screens because it buzzers and it freezes the screen, right? So it's like a comprehensive test. Once you take that test, based off on the percentage that you get for that test, you're given your certification, right?
Okay.
Yes. So once you become a certified trainer is or a consultant is when you can venture into the world as a freelancer, or maybe you can apply
Okay.
in any private sector or something. So we basically get our work from private sector. I go for trainings. I go for consultations, and I also am a freelancer. So I take one-on-one sessions as well with the people. So
Okay.
yeah, so the clientele is all across the world. So I have a lot of people who join me from abroad as well. So my day is all packed.
So basically, which company hire us? Which kind of
Uh,
private company hire us?
so there are many companies, okay? When it comes to image consultancy, you may find yourself in some beauty sector field, or maybe you may find yourself in some fashion field, right? Because
I could
image.
have tell you, maybe we have to join some Bollywood uh, or Tollywood, and then we can, give them, suggestion.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So there are a
Okay.
lot
Now
of
I got it.
areas, we can also join government because etiquettes, social norms, social conditioning. How do you carry yourself? What do you wear? What sort of clothes you ought to wear? What sort of specs you need to wear? And I mean everything, proper grooming. So we can actually enter any field because grooming is required. We train from
Yes.
CEOs to the basic clients, right? To the basic staff as
Okay.
well.
Now I got it.
So,
Now I got it. What you are
yeah,
trying to say? Now I finally got it.
yes, yes. So the world's our stage, and we perform,
Okay.
right? Yes. So that's how it is. And so you've been here on the platform for how long?
I have been learning English
Hmm.
on EnglishYaari platform for 2 years.
For 2 years. Wow.
Yeah.
And did you really find improvement being here on the platform? Did it boost your confidence?
Actually, I'm learning English bit by bit. Consistency is very important for
Absolutely.
learning any language.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yes,
Yeah.
that makes a lot of sense. And with that gradual pace, did you find yourself improving from where you
Yeah,
started
surely. Surely, I did not know anything uh, about English.
about
So,
English?
yeah.
Yeah.
So, my EnglishYaari faculties, day by day, they are
Mm-hmm.
teaching me. Uh,
Yeah.
it's only one reason I'm learning English from them.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
I want to brush up my English communication skill as
Yes.
much as possible because I would
Yeah.
like to become a soft skill trainer just like you. I
Oh
don't want
wow.
to do IT job. This is a stressful job, I must say.
No, no, no. I understand, yes. But yes, this is also a very stressful job because a lot of expectations are thrown upon you. And whenever we go to some company or sort of like
Yes.
when we have to train the people around, so you're already training people who are more knowledgeable, who are more into like the IT stream, who are experts in their fields. Okay. So when you're trying to give them a knowledge or something, most of the time, we get those eye rolls and all as if just come here to teach, wasting time or something like that. But then, yes, you have to make those sessions so engaging for the people that they want you again. So it becomes like
Yeah.
the stress buster, right? It's not just
Yes.
another
Yes.
session where just speaking, right?
So I
So
think you
we,
won't believe me. When I
Mhm.
join EnglishYaari session, I can release my stress. Okay, because um, each and every day I interact with new tutor and they
Yeah,
give me their suggestion. So
yeah,
in this way, I learn so many things from my mentor.
absolutely, absolutely.
And
So
not
yes,
only English, actually I can learn personal development also from my
absolutely, absolutely.
mentor.
Yes. You are actually working upon your absolute development. It's like a comprehensive development that's happening onto you, not just English. So
Yes.
yes, you can. You might get a few tips here and there from me, and you might get a few tips here and there from somebody else, right? And you are like meandering your way through, and sort of like finding your way through and speaking to so many people with so many experiences. And I think it's adding a lot of value to your life, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I wanted to join your session earlier, but due
Mm-hmm.
to my work, I could not book your slot because today is Saturday. It's only
Yeah.
one reason I booked your slot, even though a night owl. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm unable to wake up early.
Right.
It's only
Right.
one reason I got late,
Yeah.
7 to 8 minutes. So
Yeah.
sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. It's all right. Sometimes it happens. And when you're overloaded with work, you really don't look at the time like that. So, yeah,
Yes,
that's all
ma'am.
right. That's perfectly well. So, I think we're also nearing the end of our session. So, shall I give you a feedback?
Yeah, surely you can give your feedback, ma'am.
Yes,
And I would
absolutely.
like to mention you here, there are
Mhm.
so many YouTubers, they uploaded your conversation videos, and I got shocked. The way you teach, it's totally different. Because,
Really?
um, yes, because you also, give more feedback for learners, because
Yeah.
whenever they, pronounce wrong way, and
Mhm.
after that you also rectify their problem.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I mean to say last night I have watched one conversation and at the
Mhm.
time one learners uh, use executive and you
Yeah.
told
Executive.
him executive, not
Yeah.
executive.
Executive. Yeah. It's
Yes,
executive. Yeah.
executive. Yes. So I learned so many things from this
Yeah.
conversation. I think you
Wow.
won't believe me. I have watched more than 3 to 4 conversation video. Yes, yesterday I hit the hay almost 1 a.m.
Oh wow. Oh, that's
after watching
gruesome.
all conversation.
Okay, thank you so much.
So
I mean,
I
I wasn't
started.
really aware. Yeah.
So I started to watch all those conversation from 11
Right. Oh
p.m.
my God.
Then I completed all those conversation around 1 a.m. So
Okay.
just you
Wow.
can imagine.
That's gruesome on yourselves. You could have watched more videos later.
Yes.
Right. I mean, it's perfectly fine. Yes. I wasn't really aware if my content was being uploaded because I mean, you just told me right in the start. Otherwise, I usually don't take up people like who like they're uploading my videos or something because I get a little conscious when people say like we are uploading your videos. So I'm like,
No,
okay,
no, no.
you can
Actually,
just learn early.
you taught them very good way. Who are not affording this kind of class, so they can
Yeah.
easily learn from those conversations. So this is a very beneficial for
Yeah.
some learners.
Yeah, thank you so much, Suman. That means a lot. I mean, you gave me a feedback when I was supposed to give you one, right? Thank
Yes,
you.
I
Thank you
think
so
you
much.
won't believe me
So yeah,
if you
I
see. I think, ma'am, you won't believe me. If you see my YouTube channel, you will be mesmerized where I am. How it possible? So
right,
you must
right.
see my YouTube channel at least once
Yeah,
whenever
please
you
tell
get
me
a
what is
leisure
your
time.
YouTube channel. What is your YouTube
English
channel?
with
Please tell me.
Suman. English
Okay,
with
I'll just
Suman.
search it.
If you want,
I'll just search.
so you can check right now.
English with Suman. Is it your picture with the red
Yes,
T-shirt?
yes, yes. Now, yes. Now click. Now click this. image, then you can see my channel.
Yeah. So I've already subscribed it.
N-
All right.
Once you can, ma'am, can you click video option? Then you can see. Then you can see. Can you click
I'll see
video
it. I'll
option?
see it after. I'll see it after the session for sure.
Yeah, yeah, surely,
Yes,
ma'am.
absolutely. I'll go ahead and see all of these after the session. All right. So, I'll give you a little feedback, Suman. So, I
Yeah,
would love to connect with you again, right? Number one is that I would love to connect with you again because there I would actually try to give you
give you more
the
feedback.
real learning, real learning, how
Yes.
you take up a class because today you took my interview. So so yeah,
No, no, no.
maybe yeah. So maybe in the next session when we sit and we talk, so we will actually get through the entire process of how we take up a session, right? So I look forward to the session. And number two, I am impressed with your usage of words, like the way you said I hit the hay at about one. So that's really good. It talks a lot about what you're learning and how you're using it in your daily life. And English is all about using. It's all about practical
Yes, ma'am.
usage. Maths is not the only subject which requires practicality, or not just science. They also require work, and English also requires work, right? Otherwise we forget English. So you are actually
Yes.
walking on the right track. Just a few errors that happened because you were talking about the past, so you didn't end up using the past tense, like you said.